If you want to succeed in sales, you must have these 4 C's. The first C is called comfortable. Second C is called courage. Third C is called control. Fourth C is called confident. Yes, you may learn a lot of sales strategy, including I always share about BPC, which stands for break ice, presentation, closing. But without the 4 C's, whatever strategy you use, also no use. So I talk about the first C, comfortable. Always know that when you go to a sales appointment, you must make your prospect feel comfortable with you. If they don't feel comfortable with you, no matter what sales strategy you use, also no use. Have you ever seen salesperson, when you first time meet them, they make you so uncomfortable? Will you buy from him or not? Second C, called courage. In sales, you must have the courage to ask. A lot of salesperson, I don't know why they go to appointment, they are like selling drug like that. Talk to client is, hey, I want to share with you something. Hey, I tell you this thing, I want to sell you this thing. Client, where will buy from you? Buy from you funny already. So you must have the courage to ask. A lot of salesperson, they also lack the courage to outsell client. They lack the courage to ask client to buy extra things from them. So if you ask, what is the worst thing that can happen to you? The worst thing is client say no lah. We cannot take no for rejection, man. How many no people say to me in life already? A lot of no. But the main important thing is whether you ask or not. The next C, we talk about control. Why? Because during a sales presentation, you are like a director. You control the conversation. You control the end result. Control not means that you talk the client to talk. No. You drive the conversation. You drive where you want the conversation to end. The last C is called confident. Confident that you are helping the client. Confident that you are giving the client value. I always ask salesperson this question. If you are not here to sell him things, you are here to give him free gift. Will you be confident or not? He say, yeah, I will be confident. Then you just treat that going appointment, you're giving him value lah. Then you will have the confidence. Don't always think about selling. Yes, you have sales target to meet. Doesn't mean that you go to the appointment, you keep thinking about whether people buy from you or not. Just treat the conversation as you are giving him value. Then you will be confident. So to end everything, when you go to an appointment, you must be comfortable, courage, control, and confident. So if you like this video, you can like, share, and comment. I see you at the next video.